This is the motor burn out by the high pressure that make the rotor is burn out. It is a star connection, and this motor has two connection for install. One is data, second is star. Right now the motor is burn out because the high pressure of something is stacking the motor, made it broken. This one is the 3-pass motor specification. Right now the motor in star connection is burn out. The rotor inside burn out with the starter. It means something effect with the rotor effect with the starter, made the motor burn out like this. We need to make to repair the motor in working normally. Okay, thank you very much. Today I would like to show all of you how the motor burning and but have only one pole still connects. This one. Yes, I just put this one clamp lock. Okay. Still has the value of the ohm in the ohm points, and this one base don't have. I will be using the signal. It's like this. Not connect. It's connect. It means this one is still connect with the rotor inside, but this two pole is disconnect from the tail of the rotor already. But this one, no connection, connection. And with the earthing, no something effect with the earthing. No happen. Yes, it means two connection of it was disconnect and this one still connect. Okay, you need to fix this pole, one pole and this pole, O and V for disconnect. Make it the connection inside the tail of the motor back. Okay, and we just still connect. This one still. I will remove this one and then make a video how the tail still connect or not. Take the value from the oil one. No value. And from the way. Regulation still not value, and the W connection has the value, but should be from W to W is okay, but right now it's connect to another pole. It means it's broken. We need to fix. It means the connection inside may be synchronized all. It means include all the connection, not suppressed. It should be only W and W1 or W1 and W2 is only connect, but W1 and O2 is not connect but still connect. It means it's short circuit or something inside it connecting with another connection, so we need to fix.